Hello students, today we are starting a new topic which is motion. We will study what is motion and what are the types of motion. Now what is a motion? Motion is the action of moving. Okay, when an object moves, that means when an object changes its position with respect to time, then change in position is nothing but motion. What are the types of motion? Motion can be of three types. It can be translatory motion, circulatory, rotatory motion, or third type is oscillatory or vibratory motion. Now this translatory motion is again of two types, rectilinear and curvilinear. Let us see these three types of motions in detail. Translatory motion is the first. When all the parts of an object move in the same direction. For example, a train is moving along a straight track, then all the parts of the train are moving in the same direction. Okay, when all the parts of an object move in the same direction from one point in space to another in a given time, then that is translatory motion. This is also called as translational motion. Now when this motion is along a straight line, it is called rectilinear, and when this translatory motion is along a curved path, this is called curvilinear motion. Okay, so translatory motion is when all the parts of a body is moving in a same direction. When it is moving in a straight line, it is rectilinear, and when it is moving in over a curved path, that is called curvilinear. What are the examples? Train moving on a track, caterpillar crawling on the ground are the translatory motions. Let us see the second type of motion, which is rotational motion. Now when an object moves in a circular path along its axis, for example a ceiling fan moves at its axis. Axis is fixed there on the ceiling, and the fan keeps on moving in a circular path along an axis, so that this is a rotational motion. In rotational motion, different parts of the object moves by different distance in a given interval of time. You can see that all the parts of a fan travel different distances in a given interval of time. This motion is also known as rotatory motion. Another example is the motion of earth along its axis. This is rotational motion. What is oscillatory motion? The third type of motion. When an object moves to and fro, for example a pendulum or a chair, this kind of chair, this pendulum, a fork, these are oscillatory motions because they move to and fro from its mean position. Movement of pendulum is an example of oscillatory motion. Now motion can be periodic or non-periodic. Periodic motion is defined as the motion that is repeated after equal interval of time. So, for example, this rocking chair and bouncing ball, or a vibrating turning fork, or a swing that keeps on repeating repeatedly, periodically they keeps on repeating. So they are periodic motion. When Earth travels in its orbit around the sun, it keeps on repeating its motion after a fixed interval of time. The water waves, these are periodic motion. Now what is non-periodic motion? When the motion doesn't repeat itself at regular interval. For example, this moving car, it is not fixed that they will come again and will repeat the motion after a fixed interval. Their motion can be random. So this is an example. The moving car over a road is an example of non-periodic motion. So students, you must have understood all the three types of motions today. Thank you.